Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, in the previous lessons, we read about tanween, and we also read that double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma are called tanween or noon tanween. And we call them noon tanween because they produce the sound of noon at the end. So, that's why we call them noon tanween. And we also read that when a letter having double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma, then we have to read that letter's voice with a nasal sound, and that is called gunna. So while reading a letter which has double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma, we have to make gunna, we have to do nasal sound. And we already read some letters with double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. So in this lesson, we have some more letters. We have 8 letters in total here in this lesson. So in this lesson, we will read these 8 letters with double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma, and we will learn that how to read any letter when it has double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. So we are starting this. Before starting, we have to read Ta'uz Tasmiya. I'm reading, so read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So the first letter we have is Na, and the reading pattern will remain the same. First of all, we will read the letter, then the sign, and at the end the sound. So the first letter is Noon, and it has double fatha first of all. So Noon double fatha, Nan. Noon double fatha, Nan. Noon double fatha, Nan. Then Noon has double kasra, so it will be Noon double kasra, Nin. Noon double kasra, Nin. Noon double kasra, Nin. Then we have double dhamma upon Noon, so it will be Noon double dhamma, Nun. Noon double dhamma, Nun. Noon double dhamma, Nun. The sounds will be Nan, Nin, Nun. The next letter is Lam, and it has double fatha first of all. So it will be read as Lam double fatha, Lan. Lam double fatha, Lan. Lam double fatha, Lan. Then Lam has double kasra, so it will be Lam double kasra, Lin. Lam double kasra, Lin. Lam double kasra, Lin. Then Lam has double dhamma, so Lam double dhamma, Lun. Lam double dhamma, Lun. Lam double dhamma, Lun. The sounds will be Lan, Lin, Lun. The next letter is Dad, and Dad is one of the bold letters. So while reading this, you have to make a bold voice, okay? So Dad double fatha, Dan. Dad double fatha, Dan. Dad double fatha, Dan. Then Dad has double kasra here. Dad double kasra, Din. Dad double kasra, Din. Dad double kasra, din. Then Dad has double dhamma here. Dad double dhamma, dun. Dad double dhamma, dun. Dad double dhamma, dun. Sounds will be dwan, din, dun. The next letter is ya and it has double fatha upon it. Ya double fatha, yan. Ya double fatha, yan. Ya double fatha, yan. Then ya has double kasra. Ya double kasra, yin. Ya double kasra, yin. Ya double kasra, yin. Then ya has double dhamma. Ya double dhamma, yun. Ya double dhamma, yun. Ya double dhamma, yun. The sounds will be yan, yin. The next letter is sheen and sheen has double fatha upon it. So sheen double fatha, shan. Sheen double fatha, shan. Sheen double fatha, shan. Then sheen has double kasra. Sheen double kasra, shin. Sheen double kasra, shin. Sheen double kasra, shin. Then sheen has double dhamma. Sheen double dhamma, shun. Sheen double dhamma, shun. Sheen double dhamma, shun. The sounds will be shan, shin, shun. The next letter is jim and jim has double fatha. Jim double fatha, jan. Jim double fatha, jan. Jim double fatha, jan. Then jim has double kasra. Jim double kasra, jin. Jim double kasra, jin. Jim double kasra, jin. Then jim has double dhamma. Jim double dhamma, jun. Jim double dhamma, jun. Jim double dhamma, jun. The sounds will be jan, jin, jun. The next letter is kaf and it has double fatha. So it will be kaf double fatha, kan. Kaf double fatha, kan. Kaf double fatha, kan. Then kaf has double kasra. So kaf double kasra, kin. Kaf double kasra, kin. Kaf double kasra, kin. Then kaf has double dhamma. Kaf double dhamma, kun. Kaf double dhamma, kun. Kaf double dhamma, kun. The sounds will be kan, kin, kun. The next letter is qaf and as you know that qaf is one of the bold letters. So while reading this letter you have to make a bold voice, okay? So qaf double fatha, first of all First of all, Qaf has double fatha. So Qaf double fatha, Qan. Qaf double fatha, Qan. Qaf double fatha, Qan. Then Qaf has double kasra, Qaf double kasra, Qin. Qaf double kasra, Qin. Qaf double kasra, Qin. Then Qaf has double dhamma, Qaf double dhamma, Qun. Qaf double dhamma, Qun. Qaf double dhamma, Qun. The sounds will be Qan, Qin, Qun. Now we are reading the sounds again. So read with me from the beginning. Nan, Nin, Nun, Lan, Lin, Lun, Dwan, Dwin, Bun, Yan, Yin, Yun, Shan, Shin, Shun, Jan, Jin, Jun, Kan, Kin, Kun, Qan, Qin, Qun. So we read 8 letters in this lesson with Tanween, and we also read that how to pronounce these letters and what will be the sound of different letters, these 8 letters, when they have double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma. So you have to practice these letters and the letters we read already in the previous lessons with Tanween. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we will read the remaining letters with Tanween.